Hi there, it's AJ from KajabiExperts.com. Today we have another video, a video that a lot of people has been requesting lately. The question is, what is exactly the hero theme? What can you do with the hero theme? Because a lot of people has been wondering what are the possibilities, because I said a lot of times, yeah, you can do this and this and that, and it's a modular theme, and you can build whatever you want. A lot of people has also asked what are the different options. So, well, I decided that it was a very good option to record a video to show some of the stuff that you can do with the theme, and hopefully that will make it clear for all of you. Take into account that a lot of the stuff that I will be showing is within the current release, so with the version that it's right now available to download. One of the most important things of the theme is that it's been constantly updated. So whatever you see today, it may not be the same that will be available tomorrow. I'm releasing new modules to the theme, so that makes the theme really expandable and with a lot of possibilities. So again, what you will be showing in this video doesn't necessarily mean what will be when you buy the theme. You will get even more stuff than what you will show. Let's go ahead and let's see some of the possibilities of the hero theme. I just did a clean install of the hero theme, and it comes with some default pre-activated modules. I have here the page so you can preview it, and it has some of the modules. Let me first tell you why is this modular, and this is because all of these rows are called modules and you can combine them. I will show you in the video how you can combine them to create whatever you want for your landing pages. So the first thing that I recommend when you buy the theme is that you go to presets and you select one of the presets to start. So you can, this is totally optional, you can go for the totally customizable way and build with your own decisions, but I suggest always to start with a preset. So for example, if we want to create, I don't know, a contact page, we will click here and we will have a contact page. I'm gonna just show you how it changes the whole layout and you will understand more about the modules. Now I set preset contact page, and now our landing page transformed to be a contact page. So if I refresh now here, we're gonna see that we have a contact page where we have a map of our company and the contact page details. If we want to go for the home page, we can apply the home page preset. But again, this is just a base starting point. So what I recommend is go for a base starting point, and then from there start customizing. Now if I refresh, you will see that our landing page just changed to be something completely different. So once you've selected a preset of the different ones that we have, and as I said, I will be adding more presets in the future, so those are the ones currently available. You can come to, well, in general you have some stuff like the fav icon, the background color, primary color, some colors, forms, the cookies bar for the European Union law that makes you show a cookie, well, a notification to the users that you are using cookies, so you can enable the cookies bar with the different themes and options. But if we go back and we go to the page setup, we see the modules, the so-called modules. We have 10 rows here, as you can see, row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until the row 10, and then we have show, footer, and header, and here we can select the modules that we want to show. We have, right now, I think we have 16 modules, 16 or 17 modules, but I keep adding new modules to the theme. So those are all the modules that are available. What does the module mean? Well, right now here, we have the hero row module. So it's called hero because it has this background image, it has some text, it can have a video, so it has a lot of options that I'm going to show you later. But if instead of this you would like to have, for example, I don't know, your products, for example, you would like to have your products here, you could just change and say, I want to have the products here. So we change for products row, we hit save, and now our landing page just changed to have our products here. So now we have our products on the top, and we continue to have the same here. Imagine now that you say, well, I want to have whatever, this block of text here, I want to have it at the top because I'm creating a page that it will not be my home page, it won't be my contact page, but it will be a page where I explain to my clients what I'm doing in my membership site. So I want to have these different blocks of text here. So you can do that. You can just go to the row 1 and change the products row for the, it's called text columns row. So we're gonna say that, and we're gonna say, okay, for the row 2, I want to have a call to action row, and for the row 3, I want to have a testimonials row, and then I want to have a video because I want to show a big video there. Then this row I don't want to display it. This row I don't want to display it either. No display, and that's it. The other ones I'm not gonna display them. So I'm saving now, and after this has saved, okay, if we refresh now the page, we're gonna see that our landing page just changed. So we have our columns here, we have a call to action here, we have the testimonials here, and the big video. It's not displaying anything because I haven't set a video, so I need to add a video there in order to be displayed. And then we have our footer. So you see, this is what I mean by modules. So there are different modules that can be combined, that can be sorted out. You can put one at the top, one at the bottom, change the order, change that offers you a lot of flexibility. So as I said several times, you can create home pages, you can create lead pages to collect emails, you can build, I don't know, so many different things, sales pages, product pages, you can do a lot of stuff. Let's go back now. I'm gonna select again let's select the home page, and let's see what are the options. So basically I'm back again a preset to reset all the status, and we're gonna see some of the options. So for example, imagine that we want to configure the hero row. We go to the hero row section. So we see here in the customize that we have all the rows, and then we can customize them. So now here in the hero row, we can select this to show the background image. We can change the background image, the background color, this white here, the title, the color for the title, subtitle, we can add a subtitle. Everything can be shown or displayed. We can, as you see, center the text in the box. We can just remove the text, the center text, and add a write video, so that will display a write video here. I'm gonna leave that unchecked. We can add a call to action box, so we can say I want a call to action with a download here and a box description, and we can add a link that can go to a different product. Or for example, we can use a model box. So I'm gonna show you just in a second how to do that. So I'm gonna mark the show call to action, and actually I'm not gonna center the text box, so just to show you some little different tweaks. And just by adding the hash form, we're gonna be showing a model form. And this is if you want to just use the header as an image, so you don't want to show anything and you wanna show that this is something that a lot of users has been asked, how I can make my image completely appear for the users, because they want to showcase something in their image, or they have a picture that they want everything to appear. So with this minimum height, you can enable that option. I'm gonna save now, and let's go to the preview. Come on, save. Okay, and we're gonna go to the preview, refresh, and we see now that we have this box. If we click now to the box, a model appears. So As I showed you, you can have those models that works with the Kajabi form. So this is actually a Kajabi form that is being sent to the webhooks or to the integration that you have in Kajabi forms. But you can also use a link that, for example, links to your product. Again, everything is really customizable. So you can change the color, the fonts, and everything. Actually, if I go here to the typography menu, you see that you can change the font sizes of the whole landing page, but you can also change the font family with over 50 fonts to choose. So I know a lot of people has been asking about more fonts because they like their designs to be different, or they want to follow their brand or whatever. So you can choose from many different fonts. We can go back and see different rows. So for example, we have the text center row that it's basically, I don't have it here, but for example, this row is a text right row. So we have an image on the left that can be on the right, sorry. Oh, actually this is right, this is wrong. I mean, it should be left image. I'm gonna change that. So we have an image on the left, we have a text on the right. So we can change it, we can customize, we can change the color, we can add call to action buttons like we have here. We can add links, we can open links in new windows. So it's really customizable. We have here, for example, these columns where we can add different icons. We can change the text, we can show more or less rows. We can even, if we go to the products row, we can have our own products with our buttons. I'm gonna show products row here. I mean, I'm trying to go quick because there is so much stuff to do with this theme that I could stay the whole day talking about all the possibilities. I'm gonna enable the products row really quickly, and this is really good because I know a lot of people likes to show their own products. So they want to choose the products that they want to show here. They want to sometimes not even use Kajabi, so they want to point to lead pages, or they want to point to their own landing pages instead of using the store from Kajabi, because the store from Kajabi is only limited to the sales pages that you create inside Kajabi. But with this, you always have links. So you have product one link, so you have a link and you can point it to a landing page, to a lead pages, to a PayPal payment. I mean, you can point it to wherever you want. You're free to send it to wherever you want. You can put I think you can put up to 8 products here. Yeah, 8 products. You can even add categories. So if you have different categories, you can add category dividers to categorize your products. I mean, this is for the products row. If we have a contact row where you can add a form from Kajabi. I don't know where is it. Somewhere here, the form to use. So you can add a form inside Kajabi, and you can use that row as a contact page. So you have a right column optionally that you can enable, disable with some text. What else I can show you? The features row, where you have 4 rows of features. So you can add a lot of stuff there. Actually, I'm gonna quickly show you. Canine Confidence Academy. She's using the features row to show some of her features here about. So, for example, this page is created with Hero, and Janet created it. She is amazing creating it. As you can see, for example, we have here the share buttons, where you can share this page in the social media. This is also included in the Hero theme, the integration with the share buttons. She's using here the features. Here she's using a block of image and text with a button. Here she's using the blog post, so she's showing the latest blog post. You can customize this to show, for example, in her case, she just used the 3 last blog posts, but you can show whatever amount you want, so you can add more stuff. Here she's showing some products that she's selling, some testimonials, and a last call to action row with the footer below. So as you see, she created this combination, but you can create your own always by coming to the page setup and selecting the modules that you want to show. More stuff. Here we have the pricing column. So you can just, I'm gonna show you a page setup, and here, for example, in the first row, we're gonna say this is gonna be pricing columns. I don't know anyone who's using price just straight away, because normally you want to sell your product first, but for these demo purposes, we have these pricing columns where you can customize everything. You can change the package name, the price periodicity, so you can say it's annual or it's just one time. You can add more features, so as we see, I just added 3 features per each, and you can say different call to action link, different text, different color. I mean, you can mark a package as recommended, and a small flag will appear here on the top. A lot of stuff can be done. We have also the countdown row where you can select, you can say I want to add a countdown that will count back. We have different styles. We have where do you want the countdown to end, the countdown time zone, where you can select the time zone so you are sure that it ends up exactly when you want. We can change the text. We can even, for more advanced users, we can run some JavaScript. For example, if you want when the countdown finishes to hide a button or something in the page so that your users cannot purchase, even if you are sleeping, when the countdown finishes, or you are traveling or whatever, when the countdown finishes, your users will not see the button or whatever you want them to not see. We can add also a call to action button. We have the call to action row with some text and a button. We have the modal form where we can configure our modal form, which form to use, the colors, the text, everything. We have the footer here, the map row where we can configure what the map will be showing. We have a comments row where we can add Facebook or discuss comments in our pages. So if you want to do like product launch formula where they have comments there for people to comment on your landing page, you can also do this with a comments row. Last, we have a third party where we have different third party integrations. Here is where you can add different stuff like the social media sharing, like the Facebook integration, Facebook tracking, Google Analytics tracking. You can add, you can even track where your users, what your users are doing or where are clicking. I mean, you can do so many stuff with the landing page, but I'm not gonna go more over the details because I don't know how much long I've been recording, but probably if you're still watching, you're already bored of hearing me talk. So just so you know, the theme is really powerful. I said several different times. I don't know, I could keep the whole day talking about it. For example, here we can select the background image that we want to show, or we can just not show it and show a background color. Again, with the call to action buttons everywhere, etc. So a lot of stuff, and a lot of stuff is coming. We have even a custom row where we can add our custom content, our custom CSS, so you don't need to even touch the code in the theme. So yeah, as I said, this is a really powerful theme. You can buy it in kajabiexperts.com/p/Kajabi Hero theme, Kajabi-hero.theme. Sorry, I'm gonna add the link in the description of the video, and here you can get the theme. So if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. As always, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, Kajabi tutorials, helpful resources, and more stuff. And if you have any question, just add a comment below or contact me directly. Also, if you have video suggestions, you can just comment below and I will try to do my best to create the video. So thank you if you listened me more than those, I don't know, 20 minutes or something. Thank you for coming with me till the end of the video, and see you next time.